What's good, my fellow chaos enthusiasts? It's your chaos curator brains, here to sling another batch of wild stories straight to your soul. So, buckle up because we're diving headfirst into the void. First up, let's talk about some organic gardening secrets that'll transform your sickly plants into vibrant, resin-packed flowers. Imagine using Gaia Green's living soil, worm castings, and slow-release fertilizers to ensure robust growth from seedling to harvest. It's all about enhancing soil quality and plant health for those impressive yields. Trust me, your garden will thank you. Now let's switch gears to a tale of espionage and intrigue. Picture this. It's May 11th, 1960, and Mossad is executing a daring operation in Buenos Aires. They capture Nazi war criminal Adolf Eichmann in a high-profile mission that wasn't revealed until 2007. This operation showcased Mossad's precision and global reach, marking its emergence as a formidable intelligence agency. Founded in 1951, Mossad was all about protecting Israel, and this mission was a game-changer. And just when you think you've seen it all, here comes a bizarre find that shocks officials. Prince George's County Public Works stumbled upon an empty casket illegally dumped on a curb in Upper Marlboro. Yeah, you heard that right. This unusual discovery highlights the high costs and risks of illegal dumping, with fines reaching up to $17,000. It's one of the strangest finds in decades, and it's got everyone talking. Before we wrap up, if you're looking to learn AI in just 5 minutes a day, I've got the scoop for you. Sign up for the Rundown AI newsletter. They'll send you quick 5-minute email updates on the latest AI news and how to use it. You'll learn how to become twice as productive by leveraging AI. It's the easiest way for a busy person to dive into the world of AI. And there you have it, another trip through the vortex. I'm officially fried, but already hyped for the next round of chaos. Let's keep this fever dream going. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the chaos.